Here is how to filter rows in an output table on InstaDeck. Let's say you have this data as an output in a select or any card that has the word query section. And let's say you want to filter only the rows that have country United States. The simplest way to do it, the quickest, is to find an example of the thing you want in the source card, the card where the data comes from. For example, here I have United States. I can drag the value United States and drop it in the condition placeholder in the where. And what InstaDeck will do is to create a new condition for where country equals to United States. Because country already is an input from that table. So that's the quickest way. And here I'm seeing that I'm only seeing rows where country is United States. You can do the reverse. For example, if we want to filter the rows where country is United States, I can click here on the equals, and it will open the formula editor in the logic section, and I can click the not equals. So now is where country is not equal to United States, so the country is filtered. You can do more complex ones. For example, you can do like where country is not equal to United States or equal here because I canceled, and where, for example, line is tablets. So I will go back and I will find the tablets and I will drop it in the condition. And what InstaDeck will do is it will add an and another condition where line equals tablets. So now I only have those. You can do like, for example, where quarter is 1, like if you keep adding conditions, they are going to all be at and. It means all have to be true for a row to be included. I can see that there's no rows that match all these filters, so I will remove some of the conditions. And what you can do, if you keep adding conditions, you can add them by hand. For example, clicking in the plus, it will add a condition that is always true. But what we can do is we can click on the formula editor and, for example, say where line, I can click it here, I can drag it from here or from any other place. I will just click it and it will replace the place where it's focused. So line will go there, and I can click on the 1 and go to the text section and say tablets. So it's the same as before. I just wanted to show you how to do it manually. And you can also do where I'm doing the same filter twice, so I will remove it. You can do ORs too. So for example, here I say where line equals tablets, but I may want to do or line equals phones. So a way to do that is I will click either on the opening or closing parentheses to highlight the whole expression. And in the logic section, I will click or. This will add something that is always true, and where line equals tablets or true. And now I can say line equals to phones. So what I can do is I can build it by hand like I showed before, or I can also drag the thing that's closest to the thing I want to do, for example this expression, and drop it here and replace tablets for phones. And now we can see that we have tablets and phones. And you can combine these ORs with ANDs. So if I do again the country thing where I drag United States, now is if the country is United States and line is equals to tablet or line is equal to phones. So you can build really complex filters by using the formula editor and by providing examples of the things we want to filter and then adapting them with the formula editor. So this was how to filter rows on InstaDeck. Bye.